Hi guys, so what is Liz Truss doing for those struggling to deal with the cost of living crisis? Well, her plan to avoid the national insurance hike will deliver poorest households a total of 63p. What is that, you say? 63p a day? That's all? No, it's worse than that. It's 63p a month. Of course, those on higher incomes will benefit more. A person earning in the range of £108,000 will benefit to the tune of £1,800 a year or £150 a month. The poorest 10% of society, which represents about 3 million people, those earning on average £12,000 a year, will save, with Liz Truss's policy, £7.66 a year or 63p a month. This is according to the Institute for Fiscal Studies. Households on an income of £31,400 will save about £20 a month, but when it comes to income going up, the savings do too. Those with salaries of £55,000 will save about £58 a month. A tax giveaway to relatively high earners. This was according to Tony Wilson, the director of the Institute for Employment Studies, while Tom Waters of the IFS told the Times newspaper, reversing the recent national insurance contributions rise would tend to benefit richer households more than poorer ones, even as a share of their income. Other critics of the plan say it will not reduce inflation but increase it at a time when the UK faces a recession and inflation is close to double figures. The 1.25% rise in national insurance was originally supported by Truss when she was a member of Boris Johnson's cabinet, but she promised to scrap it if she became Prime Minister. The value of the cut is worth about £30 billion, and we will see it going mainly to the rich, who in reality do not need extra financial support. Couple this with Kwasi Kwarteng's plan to remove the cap on banker bonuses, because it's clear that Liz Truss and her government are not really interested in helping ordinary people, but instead seem willing to throw extra cash to their friends and donors, even if it makes them look bad politically. The £30 billion handed over to mainly the wealthiest in the country has received a warning from the Bank of England, which sees its goal of curbing inflation becoming all the more difficult. It has already predicted the rise in interest rates later this year, which could make a recession even more difficult for small businesses and for individuals. It would likely result in higher unemployment as investment is cut back. Liz Truss may see her ability to hold on to power as very limited and understand she will likely lose, and lose big, at the next general election. Therefore, she may want to throw some sweeteners to the people who prop up the Conservative Party financially and remind them at the next election which side their bread is buttered. Let me know in the comment section, guys, what you think. As always, your comments are greatly appreciated. Thanks a lot.